In real audio workflows, the problem is not always the sound system. Sometimes, it is the message that gets lost. When teams rely on shouting, oversized speakers, underpowered monitors, or muffled sound, every cue takes longer to land. Phoenix Pro PSM1, a compact talkback and cue monitor built to keep communication clear when every cue matters. Its compact body fits beside your mixer, on a desk, or in a mobile setup, with 65W max output. Connect cue, aux, playback, or PTI-2 monitor audio to line in. Speak through mic in, route talkback through mic, line out to your mixer, IEM system, or floor monitor. Pick up timing cues right away, send precise instructions, and maintain seamless team synchronization at all times. PSM1's 3-inch woven foam neodymium full-range driver hits 98 decibel sensitivity with 100 Hz, 20 kHz response, delivering sharp, natural sound details of vocals and rhythm cues. Use it for rehearsal playback, mixer-side talkback, PTI-2 companion setups, recording sessions, worship teams, teaching, hosting, and small events. PSM1 keeps cues, talkback, and voice monitoring close to the people who need them. At Phoenix Pro, we build audio tools around real users and real workflows. PSM1 is our next step toward more complete, compatible, and practical audio solutions, helping every cue, instruction, and response land clearly.